To sing everyone the song of freedom. All I ever had, redemption song, redemption song. Emancipation song for mental slavery. No mother son can free our mind. Ooh, have no fear for we can make energy. None of them can stop the time. How will you kill our prophet while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We got to feel the hook. So won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? All I ever had, redemption song.
Right, that is what you call an artist. And we also have on the line one very young conscious princess who's looking for her ticket. So, princess, hold the line. We're going to take your details, yeah? Right, but I want everybody to just get one last look. Ginger, take over. All right.